Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, to those that have not subscribed, please and please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday I did analysis for today whereby I talked about there's every possibility that GBP USD will give us a bullish move for today. We can clearly see that we've actually closed bullish. Though there is not much pips, by the way, I think we're having about 20 to 50 pips movements. One of the reasons is that price is at a certain level on this our DXY, whereby it's either this DXY will push up or this DXY will actually drop. So that is where this price is actually really, a lot of traders are actually staying out of this trade, right? They're not really sure if this price will drop or if this price will go up. I'm also one of those traders actually kind of staying out of this, especially USD or DXY currency, something like that. But anyway, we can now follow when we follow the 4 hour time frame. I talked about having this movement upward to take out this resistance level. So we've gotten it. So one thing is that this price has actually dropped. There's every possibility, I'll say it again, there's every possibility that GBP USD will actually drop to this low again. So be very, 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 very watchful and be very, very, very careful. And there's every possibility that this GBP USD will actually, go bullish again. So before we get started, this is one of the reasons why I've created a Patreon channel, which I will be putting the link in the comment section below. So if you've not checked it out, I want you to actually check it out. In that channel, what I intend to do is put out high probability trade. And so far this week, I've actually put out about 4 trade, and 3 trade has actually gotten to our targets, right? The first trade that I put is Euro Australia dollar, which on Monday we got to that target. The second trade was Australian dollar to our card, which we actually got to that target, right? So yesterday I did analysis for today. And that trade is that we will be selling on natural gas. I only put it to my Patreon subscribers. So guess what? We've actually gotten to that target. So the only fourth one that is remain is WTI. Right now, it's kind of moving. We will be expecting certain movements, which we are not yet getting it, but very soon, I'm very sure by the time this Thursday, Friday, we would actually get that move. So that is why I said, if in case you are interested in some of my content that I believe that we have higher chances of winning such trade with just 20 USD, check the link in the comment section below. You can become one of my Patreon subscribers, so you get an update from me. And I will also put a link to my playlist of the trade we've taken today, this week, right? Like I said, I've put out about 4, and 3 has actually gotten to our targets, right? So those 3 that has gotten to our targets, I'm going to create a playlist and I'll put the link so you can actually watch those trade and see for yourself how we actually took that trade. So if in case you're interested, you will become one of my subscribers. So now back to this GBPUSD. Like I said, I am staying away from this DXY currency. I am trading other currency, but you see this DXY or USD itself, I'm kind of staying away because there's every possibility that price will drop to these lows. Just imagine if you take the buy and GBP USD actually drop to these lows, it means you've lost. And if in case you actually take a sell, right, and GBP USD actually push up, it means you've also lost. That is why I said in that my Patreon channel, I'll be putting out high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. That is what I tend to put. If you have to trade on this GBP USD, we have 50% chance of winning it. If that price goes up tomorrow, it's actually pushing down. So it just depends, right, on the news and everything. But personally, I think GBP we are to USD we actually push up. Like I said, I am not 100% sure. It is just like a suggestion. There's every possibility also price will actually drop to this same level. But if I'm to choose the direction GBP USD will go, then I will be moving for this, this movement upward. So I would want to see kind of like a GBP USD actually, push up, by the way, then kind of like a drop. So anyhow price play out, I'm going to give you an update. Do not forget to check the link in the comment section below.